What's up, everybody? This is Dylan from Manoa Chocolate, and today's Craft Chocolate TV episode is Where Does Cocoa Come From? And this is a very simple one. Cocoa came from the upper Amazon basin, so we're looking at countries like Colombia, Ecuador, Brazil, Peru. This whole region is the birthplace of cacao. And from there, it's spread out all the way up into Mexico and all over South America, predominantly traveling with people. But it also traveled with megafauna, like giant sloths that are 3 meters high or about 10 feet tall, that would just eat these really colorful fruit pods and, spread the seeds around. Cacao primarily grows within 10 degrees north and south of the equator. That's where almost all our chocolate comes from for the whole world. It likes a lot of rain. We're talking 200 inches a year or more, 500 centimeters. In the Amazon, it's literally growing in water for certain seasons, for weeks, where it's just that much water and the tree is growing out of that. So it can handle a lot of water. But we're lucky that we're able to grow it now with irrigation. So we can play God, so to speak, and grow it in the desert if we want. The oldest found evidence is as far as 5,500 years ago now in Ecuador, in a town called Palanda near Guayaquil. And they found it on, the inside of certain basins and whatnot. But cocoa is a tropical plant, and that's the main takeaway from this. Hope this was helpful. See you next time. Aloha.